Hey there, Andres.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right, I can see.
All right, so we marked it up. Claim number northeast, and then um the hell markings that we found.
Let me see something. Let me make sure camera sharing. I want to make sure I don't lose this. Full screen exit. Video freeze. Okay. All right, so go ahead.
All right, so should we initiate the repair, or are you gonna take pictures around?
Try to take some photos from yours because like the video feed on this isn't as great. Let me see if I can zoom in. Hold on a second. Or maximize.
Are you gonna be able to record this?
It should be recording right now.
Okay, it's recording. All right, go. Let's do it right here. Yeah, do it where there's damage. All right, so we're attempting to repair this shingle where it has two hell hits.
Okay.
This was telling you about us. All right, we got the first seal. And we got to break the ones above to get the shingle out. You see right here already damaged the roof.
Can you hold it landscape sideways, Brian? Let me see if it. Nah, go. Actually, yeah, that's better. That is better. Hold on, let's see if it adjusts.
See, I already ripped this other shingle. You see? Because it's so stuck. So I already ripped that shingle going that way.
Okay. Take photos of that after so I can send stills in of these areas that are damaged.
Okay. Continue? Yeah. So you took all the matting from here.
Yeah.
And then this is the shingle that we're taking off. I still gotta see you rip
Wow.
the
Yeah.
And I
Yeah.
still have to break the other seal in order to get. And he has to break the other seal. You see right here, it's already breaking. It's already, you see. So we make a lot, way more damage.
Wow, I see that. Okay. All right.
So the attempt to repair has failed because of that. We try to repair it. And then we have all these hail hits here, and then look at the front. So how are you supposed to repair all these hail hits throughout this whole roof?
Yeah, I mean they initially paid for 44. As you know, this is recording, right? So no, I mean I see it there. I think if you guys can uh
It's
go back.
everywhere. So 44 shingles is not going to do any justice
Yeah,
to repair all this roof.
yeah.
And then all this damage here on the left slope as well. Ridge. And out here in the back too. We got more right here.
Yeah.
So
Send me your photos, like or whatever, whether through WhatsApp or texting, of like the failed repair first, and then just like I want to share this video with your photos so they can
Okay.
view the video and the photos. But I think the photos should start with the failed repair, and then like some of these outside areas that are showing excessive hail hits.
Do you want us to try another slope up front or on the bottom of this? Right and left. And record
Yeah,
another video?
yeah. Let's exit this and start another session. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Yeah.
We'll just go to that slope.